In this video, we're going to take a look at these stretchable shoelaces for kids and adults. They come in different colors and sizes, and you can even mix and match multiple colors for a single shoe. Stay tuned for the whole video. Okay, so these are the silicone shoelace. Okay. Got black, yellow, baby blue, and white. Here's an example of how we made this shoe look better.
And it's nice and easy to go in because they stretch.
You have 8 rows and they're labeled on the back, so it says 8, 7, so you can't go wrong. So then if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, then we only need 1, 2, 3, 4. So ideally this will work. If that's too tight, then we're going to start with the number 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So let's go and do that right now. All right, so the shoelace is out. So now let's go and put this in, and of course we're gonna see these because there's no hole for this to go in. So let's just go and put these on. All right, and here is what it looks like. So it looks pretty neat. It looks pretty modern. So when you compare the old with the new, which one do you like better? Okay, let's put this on. So now I could just do this and not worry that they're gonna fall off or undo the laces like these ones. Here's what it looks like if you were to basically do different colors. And again, there's a different way of attaching it through this way. So that way you don't see the edges like you do here, but these ones obviously were different. So that's why you kind of see them. Much better than shoelaces, because all you do is just slip it on and then see how nice and tight they are.
And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.